6, 7, 8. Send her out, get ready for your turkey, apex. You go straight ahead there. That's it, hand to hand. Don't forget to do your rock step before you do the basics again. You go back into the Charlestons right from the very beginning.